Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language on the Sifu game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sifu game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. From the Options page, you can now choose the Language menu. And now you will see various different options. Within the third option, you can choose your desired audio language. There are various different languages that are available, so you can click on the left or right arrow buttons to cycle between the languages that are available. Once you have chosen your desired language, you can go back by pressing the backspace button, and your changes will automatically be saved. After this, you can go back into your story mode and continue playing with your chosen audio language. You may change this setting at any point of time by going back into Options and choosing the language feature and changing the third option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language on the Sifu game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.